Hello kids, welcome back. Watercolors, purple color, pink color, brown color, orange color, black color, green color, yellow color. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's trace A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fox. G. G for gorilla. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching.